Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to verify your account in Venmo. First, log into your account using the mobile application. After that, go to click on this gear icon. Scroll down until you find the security section, then click on identity verification. From this page, you need to enter the details such as the date of birth and the SSN number. Also the street address, then click on get verified. Also, you need to import a valid US passport, driver license or government ID in order to verify your name and date of birth. Also, a valid driver license and utility bill or similar thing to verify your home address. Once uploaded the required documents, click Next. And yeah, you have successfully submitted your documents to verify your Venmo account. Click Done. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.